Okay. Happy Thursday, everyone. My name is Cory Scott, and welcome to Happy Hour. It feels like it's been such a long time since I've sat in this corner and filmed a Happy Hour, because last week we had our first live Happy Hour, which thank you everyone who participated in that. That was so much fun. I seriously think I'm gonna have to do one of those at least once a month, or we'll figure out some other kind of schedule, but I had a frickin' ball doing that, so thank you everyone. Let's just announce what we're drinking, because it's already in the title. You know what we're having. We are having an, oh my god, we're all screwed, screwdriver. The lid's already off this. Don't ask why. To make a screwdriver, you need a vodka, preferably the cheapest, nastiest, almost rubbing alcohol-ish, and then orange juice. For some reason, ice and orange juice, the whole concept of it just kind of freaks me out, because I feel like that's just disgusting. So we got this glass again, our little highball glass is what they're calling it, and then you do 2 ounces of vodka, is that? That seems about right. And then the rest is to be orange juice. Look at that. God blessed. The rest of it, the rest of the cup anyway. Cheers. Not my favorite. The reason we are all screwed, I don't know if you've noticed this week, but the stock market has gone down quite a bit. Quite a bit. And I personally don't think there's too much to worry about. I don't know. I'm kind of ignorant in this shit, so don't take my word for it. But I will tell you this. I do not think it is the end of the world, as some people on Facebook are proclaiming, thinking that the stock market is going down and you better catch up on your Bibles and blah 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 blah, because Jesus cares about the NASDAQ. Idiots. He cares about the Dow Jones. Don't be foolish. This is actually getting better. This always happens to me every happy hour. I'm like, not thrilled with the drink if it's not whiskey. I need to get back on a whiskey drink. I have not made a whiskey one in a while. But they keep getting better and better. Cue the Christina Aguilera song that I don't own.
Save the world and it keeps getting better.
I don't want to talk about heavy stuff too much on here, because this is meant to be a platform of smiles and joy and just laughing and having a good time. But I think I need to address something that has come up this week. There is a lot of hate and a lot of violence and a lot of horrible things going on in the world right now. And there are some evil people out there. Now, I won't go into detail because that's what the news is for. You can watch that and you know what's going on. Or Twitter. I mean, it's all over. But here's how I feel about it. Yes, it's awful and it's horrible, but the only thing we can really do, I feel, is to try to be nice to people and smile to a stranger. Buy flowers for a loved one. Send a gift to someone. Like, make that phone call to a friend that you haven't talked to in a while. They may not be going to do something crazy like what happened this week, but I think if everyone shared a little more kindness and smiles and joy with each other, the world wouldn't be as evil of a place as it's turning out to be. Maybe I'm just having mean world syndrome because I've seen a lot of news lately. However, god damn it, Harley guy, get the away from my goddamn window. I'm trying to have a moment here. What I'm trying to say is that we may not be able to change the whole world as an individual, but we can influence those around us. And if we can influence those around us, then they can influence those around them, and eventually it creates a ripple. So create a ripple of good, of like love and joy and all that kumbaya stuff. Not trying to be cheesy, I just really think that you can make a difference to the people around you. And like I said, say hello to a stranger. I mean, take a selfie with a stranger. Do you know whose day would be made with that? They might be creeped out a little bit, but at the end of the day, they'll be like, something weird happened to me today, and it wasn't awful. You didn't give them like a summons notice or something from court. What do they call those? Thankfully, I don't know. So, knock on wood that we never have to find out. Moving on. Trending topics on Twitter. Today is National Dog Day, or yesterday I guess. Yesterday was National Dog Day, which means I got to see all these pictures of cute dogs that I want but can't have. Yesterday was also Women's Equality Day. Go for that. Love feminism because I think it's ridiculous that women don't get paid as much as men and all that other shit that goes on in misogynistic. Well, let's not even get into that because that's a whole nother story. Oh god. Donald Trump sets record, hits 40% in new poll. Really? Oh. Apple is trending. iPhone 6s looks set to win over even more Android converts. Converts. Welcome to the Apple family, because I prefer that. I had a Android a long time ago. It's not for me. I mean, if you like it, good for you. It's not for me. Let it be known that my Android, when I had it, I did not get notifications when I got a text, and they were like, oh, you gotta download an app for that. I'm like, are you kidding me? It's a phone. It should do what it's supposed to do. Let me know when I'm getting a phone call and a text. Those are the two main things a phone should do. All that other shit is a privilege. Boom! Treated. Welcome to the first world, in case you haven't already been here, because I'm pretty sure you've been here your whole life. Alright everyone, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Otherwise, I'm over here just wondering who the hell saw it. Comment below letting me know something that makes you smile or laugh, because, like I said earlier, we need to spread more of that. More smiles and laughter. Be sure to subscribe. I make new videos every Thursday, such as this called Happy Hour. And on Tuesdays, ooh, I don't know, ooh, Tuesdays? What? Okay, we'll fly with it. And on Tuesdays, let me reverse it and get out of puberty. And on Tuesdays, we sometimes have videos that are up in the air, whatever the hell you want it to be. / whatever I want it to be, so. Come along for the ride, it's fun. But you're gonna wanna put your seatbelt on. Bye!
The time has come.